Welcome to our natural world. Stay with nature and taste a healthy being happy. 9 best essential oil for reducing fatigue. Many people use essential oils for reducing fatigue as they can work quickly and effectively without causing any unwanted side effect. Fatigue can come in the afternoon following a meal to chronic exhaustion from a lack of sleep, illness, or injury. Temporary fatigue typically has a number of logical explanations and can be remedied by improved diet, better sleep patterns, reduction in alcohol or substance use, and general awareness of your body's signals such as kidney disease, diabetes, heart disease, stress, anxiety, depression, emphysema, or sleep apnea. Over time, you may experience additional muscle pains, poor sleeping habits, insomnia, cognitive malfunction, confusion, shortness of breath, heart problems, and generally reduced quality of life. While there are many pharmaceuticals approaches to treat fatigue and chronic exhaustion, many people turn to more natural remedies due to their availability and ease of use. Using essential oils for reducing fatigue is a popular choice due to various oils, energizing, stimulant, antioxidant, sedative, or soothing properties. 9 essential oils for reducing fatigue. Bottles of essential oils stacked together on a table. Essential oils can be a great choice to prevent or remedy fatigue naturally. Bergamot oil. As one of the most stimulating oils available on the market, bergamot is commonly turned to by people suffering from fatigue and exhaustion, as well as anxiety, depression, and sleep disorders. It can not only rebalance your circadian rhythms and boost your energy but also uplift mood and stimulate the production of key neurotransmitters. How to use. This oil can be diffused throughout the night to ensure restful sleep but also inhaled directly for a rapid energetic burst when you start to feel drowsy during the day. Geranium oil. Famed for its ability to balance hormonal levels and stimulate mood, this essential oil can aid symptoms of depression and anxiety while also reducing stress hormone levels in the blood, which can reduce oxidative stress and promote more normal sleep patterns. How to use. You can add a few drops of geranium oil to a pot of steaming water and then inhale deeply a few times, as the aromatic compounds can be very effective. However, this is an energizing oil, so it is best not to use it in the evening as it can disrupt your sleep schedule. Black spruce oil. If you want to recover from a period of chronic fatigue, the use of black spruce oil can calm the nerves and help promote restful and re energizing sleep. This oil can also lower inflammation and chronic pain, which can lead to poor sleep and relentless fatigue. How to use. Mixing 5-6 drops of black spruce oil in a warm bath. Simply soak in the tub for 20-30 minutes and let the active ingredients work their magic along with the powerful aroma which can relax the mind. Rosemary oil. The direct impact of rosemary oil on the central nervous system is why it is one of the best essential oils for reducing fatigue. It can stimulate energy production and invigorate cognitive function, improving concentration, memory, and focus, which often suffer when you are feeling tired. How to use. Never use this oil in the evening as its effect can often last for 4 5 hours. Steam inhalation is a popular form for using this oil, or you can diffuse it throughout the room for an energy boost that lasts all day. Eucalyptus oil. Increasing vitality and boosting mood is essential if you want to overcome fatigue, and eucalyptus oil can do just that. By promoting a healthy body through anti-inflammatory and antioxidant compounds, this oil is able to counter negative feelings and improve blood flow, which will provide more energy to the organ systems and muscles. How to use. This oil can be diffused throughout the entire home or room, or it can be added to a warm bath. The aromatic compounds are almost as effective as the topical application, leaving you to feel energized and alert. Lavender oil. This oil can work in two different ways, both as a stimulant substance and one that can help you get the sleep you need to overcome chronic fatigue. Lavender oil will boost circulation, which can provide a revitalized feeling, but also will reduce inflammation and stress levels, which can help to fall asleep at night much easier. How to use? You can put a few drops of this oil on your pillow to ensure restful sleep, and can directly inhale this oil or put it in a room diffuser to provide uplifted feelings all day long. Peppermint oil. As mentioned above, fatigue can affect both the physical and psychological functioning of our body. And when your mind is tired, few things are more effective than peppermint oil. This stimulant oil can boost cognitive alertness and increase memory capacity, leaving you feeling awake and ready to face whatever challenge as the day brings. How to use? You can mix peppermint oil with another carrier oil and rub it directly on your chest or neck for a rapid energetic boost, or add some drops of this oil to a morning bath for an invigorated morning and proper energy levels throughout the day. Lemon oil. The limonene contained in this essential oil can be a stimulant substance but also provides antioxidant effects that reduce inflammation and discomfort. Therefore, this oil will increase energy, stimulate cognitive function, and treat the underlying cause of some fatigue condition. How to use? You can blend a few drops of lemon oil into your morning cup of tea or simply diffuse this invigorating oil throughout your home for a slower but more consistent boost of energy to overcome fatigue. Basil oils. This mental stimulant can clear away the clouds of fatigue and exhaustion while also stimulating circulation in the body, which can increase overall energy levels in the extremities and muscle system. How to use? Mix 10 drops of the basil oil with 1 tablespoon of coconut oil and apply this topically to your chest, neck, and wrist, as these will help to stimulate the body's blood flow and improve energy level. If this information helps you, please thumbs up, like button and subscribe to our channel to get the latest videos updates.